Hello class, welcome to Module 1. In this video I will provide a brief overview of the system parts of a diode laser. While there are many different styles of diode lasers, for this lecture I will focus on the components of a biolaser diode laser. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify and describe the components of a diode laser system and explain the function of each component within the overall operation of the system. Let's break down the essential 5 components. Each has a specific role. Let's begin with the base console. The base console serves as the brain of the laser system. The console houses the diode laser along with all the components necessary to power and operate the system. It is equipped with a touchstone interface that allows a user to navigate between screens, select procedures, adjust settings like wavelength, power, and mode, connects the handpiece, it pairs a wireless foot switch, and it displays error codes. The location of the control button depends on the model. It can be found on the console or the handpiece. On this model, the control button is found on the console as pointed out by the arrow. The control button activates or adjusts the laser manually. It activates the system controls and displays. Pressing the button places the laser into either a standby, ready, or sleep mode. The LED color indicators show the current status of the laser. Amber indicates a standby mode, solid green indicates a ready mode, a blinking green light indicates the laser is firing, a blinking blue light indicates the active pairing or syncing between the laser and the foot switch. If you are unable to distinguish the colors, make sure you read the display, as the color indicators will also show in text form what mode it is in. The surgical handpiece is reusable and detachable from the fiber optic cable. The handpiece serves as a conduit for laser energy, directing it from the laser through the fiber optic cable and out the tip. You'll use the tips to aim and apply the laser energy. It often includes interchangeable tips for different procedures. We will cover the different types of laser tips further in the module. The surgical handpiece must be cleaned and sterilized between patients to avoid cross-contamination. Therefore, it's recommended that you have at least 2 handpieces to rotate between sterilization cycles. The fiber delivery system consists of the fiber optic cable, a reusable surgical handpiece, and the fiber tips. As previously mentioned, the fiber optic cable transports laser energy from the base to the tip. Its glass tip is flexible but delicate, so handle it with care. The fiber optic cable can come pre-attached to the base console or detached as shown on this video. In this case, you will have to manually attach the fiber optic cable to the base console. The foot switch can be wired or wireless. This particular model is designed for a wireless operation and is powered by 2 AAA lithium batteries, which are installed and paired with the base console before the shipment from the factory. Energy is emitted only when the clinician presses down on the foot switch while the laser is in ready mode. The foot switch is protected by a metal cover, therefore to access the foot switch you must press down on the cover to unlatch it, then press the foot switch to activate the laser. If you do not press the foot switch completely down, an error code will be displayed and you will be required to reset the settings through the control button. Each of these components works together to provide a safe and effective laser-assisted hygiene care. Understanding each part is essential to ensure optimal performance, safety, and clinical success. This concludes our brief overview of the diode laser system components. Next, take the short knowledge check quiz.